BlackRock, the company that changed global finance. Imagine a company that manages more money than the economies of almost every country on Earth. A company that doesn't build smartphones, doesn't manufacture cars, and doesn't sell products to consumers. Yet its decisions influence financial markets, retirement funds, and some of the world's biggest businesses. This is the story of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. But how did a small investment company become one of the most influential names in global finance? Let's discover the truth. When people hear the name BlackRock, they often imagine a mysterious organization controlling the world's economy. Social media is full of bold claims. Some people believe BlackRock owns every major company. Others think it secretly controls governments and global markets. But is that really true? The answer is much more interesting than the rumors. BlackRock does not simply buy companies for itself. Instead, it manages investments on behalf of millions of clients around the world. These clients include pension funds, universities, insurance companies, governments, and ordinary people saving for retirement. Its responsibility is to invest that money wisely while carefully managing financial risk. That difference is one of the biggest misconceptions about BlackRock. To understand this company, we have to travel back to 1988. Long before BlackRock became a financial giant, there was a Wall Street professional named Larry Fink. He was talented, ambitious, and highly respected in the investment world. But one decision changed everything. Early in his career, a major trading mistake led to losses of around $100 million. For many people, that would have been the end of their career. But for Larry Fink, it became the most valuable lesson of his life. He realized that making profits wasn't enough. The real key to success was understanding risk before disaster happened. That single lesson inspired a completely different approach to investing. In 1988,
Larry Fink and 7 partners founded a new investment company. Their goal was simple: protect investors first, grow investments second. Instead of chasing quick profits, they focused on careful research, long-term thinking, and disciplined risk management. At first, very few people believed this small company would become successful. But year after year, more institutions trusted BlackRock with their money. Banks joined, pension funds joined, universities joined. Governments also became clients. Slowly, the company began managing billions of dollars. Then, hundreds of billions. But the biggest breakthrough wasn't just money. It was technology. While many investment firms still relied mainly on human judgment, BlackRock invested heavily in data analysis and advanced risk management systems. Its experts believed that better technology could help investors make smarter decisions. This vision led to one of the most powerful financial platforms ever created. A system capable of analyzing enormous amounts of financial information in real time. It could evaluate risk, compare investments, and help institutions make better long-term decisions. That technological advantage helped BlackRock grow faster than almost anyone expected. As global markets became more connected, more investors wanted reliable guidance. BlackRock continued expanding across North America, Europe, Asia, and many other regions. Its clients trusted the company because of its disciplined investment strategy rather than short-term speculation. Over time, BlackRock became responsible for managing trillions of dollars in assets. Its investment teams monitored thousands of companies across different industries: technology, healthcare, energy, manufacturing, finance, and infrastructure. By focusing on long-term investing instead of emotional decision-making, BlackRock built a reputation as one of the most trusted asset managers in the world. But with enormous growth came enormous attention. As the company expanded, questions about its influence became louder. People around the world began asking, how powerful is BlackRock really? As BlackRock continued to grow, its presence expanded across nearly every major financial market in the world. Its investment strategies reached industries including technology, healthcare, energy, manufacturing, transportation, and infrastructure. This led many people to believe that BlackRock owned these companies. But that is not how asset management works. In most cases, BlackRock manages investments on behalf of its clients. The money belongs to pension funds, retirement accounts, institutions, and individual investors. BlackRock's job is to invest those funds responsibly while following the goals of its clients. That is an important distinction. Managing investments is very different from owning entire companies. As the years passed, BlackRock continued to improve its research, technology, and long-term investment strategies. Then came one of the biggest financial challenges in modern history: the global financial crisis of 2008. Banks collapsed. Markets crashed. Investors around the world faced enormous uncertainty. During this difficult period, experienced financial firms played an important role in helping institutions understand complex assets and market conditions. The crisis changed global finance forever. Over the following years, financial markets slowly recovered. Technology became even more important. Investors wanted faster analysis, better research. BlackRock continued expanding its services while adapting to changing global markets. Years later, another challenge arrived: the COVID-19 pandemic. Businesses closed. Its clients include retirement funds, educational institutions, charitable organizations, governments, insurance companies, and millions of individual investors.
Despite its success, debates about BlackRock continue. Some people believe its influence is too large. Others argue that it simply reflects the trust placed in it by investors around the world. Whatever opinion people have, one fact is undeniable: BlackRock has become one of the most influential asset managers in financial history. Its journey from a small office in 1988 to managing trillions of dollars is a remarkable example of how discipline, technology, and long-term thinking can reshape an industry. The story of BlackRock is not just about money. It is about learning from failure, building trust, managing risk, and adapting to a rapidly changing world. Whether you admire its success or question its influence, understanding BlackRock helps us better understand how the modern financial system works. Because in today's world, money doesn't just move through banks. It moves through ideas, technology, trust, and the institutions that connect global markets together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fascinating business stories from around the world. See you in the next documentary.